Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. Let's move on to this video. Hi guys, Commerce with Mac here. Today I'm going to explain you how to achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. But before we move on to this video, I just wanted you to remind Commerce with Mac is a YouTube channel which educates students in commerce related subjects, accounting, economics and business studies. Along with that, I also educate students in how to do YouTube contents and to create and earn money through YouTube. Sometimes I might also put certain videos related to the traveling areas where I prefer to move on. So let's move on to the video, but before that, please subscribe to the channel and also comment. 4000 hours, 1000 subscribers, how is it possible? It's not rocket science guys, to be honest. You can just achieve 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers by just uploading certain contents which your audience love. The most important thing you all need to start to understand when it comes to YouTube, it's not about uploading one video and not uploading at all. Some people used to upload one video and they don't upload every month, or persistence is not there. So sometimes you upload a video, after 1 year you come back, I should start and earn from YouTube, and you start uploading videos. So that is where the algorithm is not working in YouTube. You all need to understand, the moment you start your YouTube channel, you should upload your videos persistently. So most of the time when you start a YouTube channel on a month of January, at least a week you should upload a video. And also remember, don't put more contents which will disturb your audience. So create an audience. This is something you all need to know. So how do you create an audience when it comes to YouTube? Because this is the biggest problem, how to achieve 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers by creating an audience. You need to put a content which you might be knowing it very well. Most probably, if you take my YouTube channel, I'm teaching students in accounting, economics and business studies. So from that area, I'm able to create an audience. So when we create an audience will listen what we say. And the moment you make the trust and also you build the trust with them, it's very easy for you to earn the point of monetization. So you all need to understand the simple thing: create an audience base and do videos to satisfy them. And sometimes some audience might come on your video, like in my channel they used to ask, sir, can you put this type of video? So I upload those videos and give solution to their questions. So that's how you create your audience base. So if you target going on big videos and you need to invest a lot of money, that is something related not to my topic I'm going to speak. I'm speaking today on behalf of all the small YouTube channel who is targeting to earn an income. If you are planning to earn an income within a short span of time to achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours, you need to watch the full video and I will explain you how it works. Now the first thing I said is about persistence, and the second thing is the audience. So continuous recordings and uploads of videos and also creating an audience base is something very important. Then there's something you all need to know, that video length time and the video duration and the message you pass on. What most of the YouTube channels they do, the mistakes is they upload videos and they expect subscribers to follow them. It doesn't happen in a day of time. So you all need to understand that something called patience should be always there. When you upload a video, you should give correct tags. So how do you use the correct tags to get the exact number of subscribers? You might understand that there's something called VIDIQ, which is Vidiq. I used to follow them, and they used to give you search bar tags on your tags. When you download this app, it's very easy for you to search your taglines, and then it will be able to get you the correct word. So you all need to understand that when you are searching through a tag, when you are typing in your YouTube video, you should always place your tags. So tags column is almost there. If you come below after description and thumbnail, you will find tags column and the show more button when you upload a video. So you'll be able to hit tags. Ensure to complete all the tags, because when you are hitting tags, the same tag when your audience is typing, they will reach your video. That's how you reach them, and they will create some sort of connectivity. So as I explained you, these are the very few ways you can achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. But you need to understand that it might take sometimes 3 months, it might take 6 months, it might take even a year, it might take even 2 years. Some people even say that it takes 3 years. For me, it took exactly 1 year, almost 2 years to complete 4000 hours and 1000 subscribers, because the problem was persistent. I used to upload a lot of videos and then I don't upload at all. So the problem where I faced, you should not face that. That's what I'm explaining you. put your videos on a certain time period. So make your audience know that every Friday 5 p.m. your video is going to be there and they're going to learn something out of it. And try to educate them in maybe in cooking, maybe in guitar playing, or maybe in teaching, maybe whatever you like, your passions, explain them, or maybe even vlogging. So give them good contents and make them like your video should be there on the YouTube channel, and it's not that easy to place your video on the top. So to that you need to work hard. So how do you work hard? Persistent videos, proper taglines, and also creating an audience base, and then uploading every week contents. Now there's a big question you all might have: how many videos there should be to create an audience? My concern, you should have minimum at least 10 videos to start seeing a progress, and also this 10 videos should go in a consistent way every Friday 5 p.m. or every Saturday 6 p.m. whatever the time you feel convenient. You should be able to upload those videos on that time, and when that audience are created, it's very easy. They know that you're gonna upload every week at this time, so they will be always following you. And I have a plan to give you all another idea about, can we purchase 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, and if we purchase those, if we buy those, what would happen? So let me explain you that in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you get this video some sort of valuable, then of course subscribe to the channel. With Mac is always with you, so you can always type your doubts under this video so I can help you out. Thank you guys.